Alright guys, 1988 Vanagon, Westfalia. I'm just going to do a wraparound on the outside, and then I'll go in a little bit closer so you can see some of the stuff like the pinch on that door there. Alright, so going around the outside, about a year ago I got the front bumper ripped off, so I took that time to instead replace them with the Go Westy bumper set. The only remnants of that accident would be this right here. I had my mechanic fill it in so it's not supposed to rust. There's a little scratch right here. Other than that, it's a little bit dirty, but there's no blemishes or anything. This has always been here. Looks like somebody hit a curb at some point or a tree stump, I don't know. Go Westy bumpers in the back also, and that has the 2-inch receiver hitch on it. 2 brand new front tires I just put on. They are the Nokian end tires, so they're weighted, they're for the extra weight class of these. The pinch, it's always been here. It's more noticeable in certain light. Right now it's quite noticeable. Heading inside, the original curtains, we got all of them. I also have the mosquito net that goes around the back and right here at the door that zips up. Really the only blemish on the inside is that, you know, the original paint or whatever that might be ripping off. All the way through I've got the Go Westy mats. I do have it for this section as well, and there's one in the back. I just decided to throw this wood laminate in there because I think it looks rad. It's all in good condition. I just keep a rug in there. Pop this guy open. Two-burner stove, sink, everything works. Refrigerator does work, but if you know anything about these guys, they're not really too good at what they do. I would probably, if I were to keep this, I'd pull that into storage and just get, you know, the truck fridge. But that's just me. I can show you around everything. I don't know. Closet, everything's in really good condition. Let's see, I do have both of the table bars, the one that goes here and there. I just keep the tables up above because I don't really use them often unless I'm actually camping. Yeah, the air conditioner does work, but it does not hold up to Arizona heat, so just be forewarned of that, I guess. All right, give me a second to pop the top. All right, I got the tent up. I believe it's the original tent. I'll get close up so you can see. There's a couple little spots where it got pinched, but nothing on the sides. Just a little bit on that front net. Like I said, I'll zip it down so you can actually see everything that's going on. Maybe some, nope, that's just where those aren't holes. It's in great condition. Let's pop up there. There's a table. Alright, so there are little tiny pinholes right there on that side. It must have got pinched. Let's unzip this guy. And I was out where there was a lot of little tiny mosquitoes, so I just popped some duct tape on some of the holes. But there's little tiny rips in there. I did replace the sun visor last year at some point. Take a look at the engine here. Again, it's a Subaru 2.2 liter. They believe it came from a 93 or 94 Subaru Impreza. All the specs about it are in the write-up. When I bought it, it's always had this cover on it, so the dash is just dusty right now, but it's actually in really, really good condition. Not really weather beat. A lot of people ask about the door wells. This one's a little bit cleaner than the passenger side, which I'll show you. It does have a radio. I just keep it unplugged because it's actually hooked up to the auxiliary battery. Which it does have a, what is it? The marine battery. So you know, the regular battery is under here, but I also have a deep cell battery under there to run some of the electronics. And over here, the wheel well. Let me get out of the sun. It's just got a little, it's not rust, it's just like old glue. Just pops back in there.